Handshake etiquette. Making the right first impression. Hello everyone. Today, we're diving deep into the world of handshakes. Why? Because it's often the very first impression you'll make. A good handshake can set the tone for a positive interaction. Let's learn the etiquette behind this common yet crucial greeting. Believe it or not, handshakes have a rich history. Originating from ancient times, handshakes were a gesture of peace. By extending an empty hand, it demonstrated that neither person held a weapon. 1. Eye contact. Before you extend your hand, make eye contact. It shows attentiveness and confidence. 2. Firm grip. Not too tight, but not limp either. A good handshake has a firm yet comfortable grip. 3. Shake from the elbow. Move your forearm up and down, not just your wrist. This gives the handshake a more genuine feel. 4. Duration. A handshake typically lasts for about 2 to 3 seconds. Avoid making it too brief or lingering for too long. Handshake etiquette can vary across cultures. Here are some notable differences. France. A lighter grip is preferred. Japan. The handshake might be accompanied by a bow, and the grip is generally softer. Middle East. Handshakes might last longer, and it's common to continue holding hands as a sign of trust. Always be aware of cultural differences, especially when you're in a foreign country or meeting someone from another culture. 1. Bone-crushing grip. A super strong grip can be painful and off-putting. 2. The limp fish. A too loose grip can come off as disinterested. 3. The endless shake. Remember, it's 2 to 3 seconds. No need to keep shaking. 4. Ignoring the lefty. Left-handed individuals might prefer shaking with their left hand, though most have adapted to the right-hand norm. There you have it, the ins and outs of handshake etiquette. Remember, a handshake is more than just a greeting. It's a chance to convey trust, confidence, and respect. We hope this guide helps you make the right impression every time. Until next time, happy handshaking!